My people, now sorry for that interruption just now. I beg now call center the phone. I beg let's go back and start again. Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What will be your name?
My name is Sweet Otakbolo.
Okay, where you from come?
I come from local.
I beg my people, men are not versed on our call center that this way to interrupt the phone. So I beg men are not versed on that interruption. So, Madam, what will be your name?
My name is Mrs. Joy.
What about you?
Rachel.
It gets some matter where they happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Where they trend everywhere for Facebook, say one woman carry one girl go river. He carry reach the river, the woman not bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, they ask why, what happen, how this matter they happen. Many allegations don't see they say so now so police chop money, now so they bribe police there, now so they bribe police there. So we want more to tell the world and Nigeria in diaspora and Nigeria in Africa, what really happened on the 4th of January 2021. So now we Chris Media Group say we want to find out what really happened for that on the 4th. So madam, what happened on that the 4th? I bet very comprehensive. Tell us what happened on the 4th.
On the 4th, when I go my friend place on the 3rd, now go my friend house.
Who be your friend? What be her name?
Sandra Iyore Asemuta. That be her name.
Okay.
So I go her house, I go visit her on the 3rd, now go visit her. So that on the 4th, I lie down for a parlor. One of our visitors still comes.
You don't ever go that place before?
No, this was my first time.
To visit where?
Ogiso area.
Okay. I bet madam wait to this victory. Where did they talk? So you know her before?
I don't know her before. What even make me go that Ogiso that on the 3rd? Because my friend children do Christmas and New Year for my house. So the mother I promised I say after Christmas and New Year, I will still come with my children. Now make me go that area. I don't know anybody for that area before. Now only that my friend.
So they say the way they talk the matter, they say you carry gallon from Aduawa, one go fresh water for Ogiso River. Any true they there?
I got well from my house. Why I go carry gallon from Aduawa? All the way from Aduawa, I'll carry gallon one go fresh water for Ogiso River.
So continue what happened on that before.
That day, that one I lie down for parlor where my friend Sandra Iyore Asemuta call me say in the years for discussion for us about my children and our children. Say they want to go swim for the river. Say ma go cut their cars.
Sorry, now the Sandra so now born the victory.
No, now born Precious. Rachel.
Okay, now your mother now be Sandra so. Okay, which number of picking you be for a hand?
10.
Okay, now you be the woman 3rd child. Okay, no worry, we are coming back to you.
So when I come outside, I don't meet my children. So I call rush wear my shirt and my knicker. Then this woman there outside, won't tell this woman, say me show me the road to the river. So the woman come carry me go.
So madam, sorry. I bet pet your baby. I bet put on that make you baby play. Madam, really now you go show this woman the river?
Let me go show her saying they look for her children.
Now you go show her the river?
Yes.
Not be the victory can and go the river.
Not be victory can and go river.
You know this woman before?
No.
When be the first time to see this woman?
Nah, that on Monday.
On Monday? Okay. But you tell me now say now on the 3rd, which is also the night you go to the house. You see her that day?
I go birthday.
Okay, not go birthday. Okay, madam, so continue.
Carry your baby. So when she carry me go the river road, that's where they go. I meet my children, Christabel and Mercy, and Rachel and Precious, close to the river. Then I hope Christabel and Mercy say mo go back house.
Madam, speak louder, please.
I say mo go back house. So Christabel and Mercy say, no, Mom, we want to see the river. So I follow the reach close to the river.
What be that Christabel and Mercy so?
Now my children, 10 years and 8 years old.
Okay.
So when we reach the river, other children, they play already inside the water. There are 4 children. They inside the water. Aboki, they pick iron close to the river. The fisherman, they one side of the river like this. the fish for inside canoe. Then my children.
Sorry, madam, you said that 4 people that come to the river.
Yeah.
How many boys and how many girls? Is that 4 people?
3 boys and 1 girl.
Okay.
So my children come, they beg me, say, mommy, let us bathe small now. Then I hold their hands close to the side of the river. Then they bath like this. The next thing, without they come out more already, they go out. Now I hear shout. My sister, help, my sister. As I hear the shout.
Who they shout so?
Now one boy, the boy they struggle to come outside. He they shout. As I turn, now I say now one boy they shout, help. You see they shout, my sister. He come make sure the girl name, Victory. Now everybody tell rush. You can't see the person hand.
You know the Victory before?
I don't know him. My papa don't know, mama don't know me. I don't know them before.
Okay.
That was my first time.
Okay.
So when the shout attract us, we rush to the boy. We see the person hand. Now I shout, hey, I broke it. The drop better inside water. Fisherman turn the boat from the other side with another person for a boat for back. They rush, go. Me run, follow the edge of the corner of the river. So they go, they come back. As they come, I see they shout, where the girl? They say they no see him again. Then we take the shout, they come. Before they shout, they come. The brother don't pick craze. Don't they go as I mean, carry my children. All of us call the shout, they go because I never see that kind of thing for my life. The thing shocked me. I begin to shout, they cry. Then we call the chorus. As we reach house, we come, they say people don't, they my friend. I say, I had my friend, Tarapa, hey, what did happen? I say, see what I experienced now. I never see this kind of thing for my life before. One boy, they shout, sister, before people go rescue, and me shout, they don't see the girl again. So, now my friend, everybody, both, they come rush, go. As we they come back, when they come back, close to my friend's house, now the man attack me and my daughter. They attack me and my daughter. The rest children, everybody scatter. They say, madam, you carry your children. Do not fear. I say, I don't even know your pick. I don't know that before. But the shout when your one boy shout, now make me call you the shout for rescue. May they go rescue this girl come out. But they go come back. They say they don't see the girl. Now it start to they beat me. Oh, they beat me. I don't carry a pick. Go do rituals for river. I say, I don't know you before. You know me before.
You know, priest, river priestess.
Not be river priestess.
With the years you carry white gallo go that river. How true is that?
White gallo, I no carry white gallo. What I want use white gallo go to do for river? My children I rush, run follow. Eh?
So when I come this house, so they come they beat you.
They come they beat me, tie my leg, see the mark. They tie my leg, tie my hand, tie my daughter, put tie around our neck, say they want bonus. Say they want bonus for rescue of the police. Not to reach SCG. From SCG to States, I spent 4 days since I said.
Okay.
This woman and baby.
Okay.
With my friend where I go see.
Okay, wait.
My 2 phones, they beat
Madam,
me.
wait. Madam, mama baby. What will be your involvement on this matter?
They say me go show Madam Sweet road.
To the river?
Yes.
So not be the Victory can go the river?
No.
Okay, your involvement on this matter is to go show her road to the river to go meet the children.
Yes.
So from the what can happen when I reach the river?
Now we don't already meet those children for the river. Not be we carry them go. Now Madam Sweet say you want to go carry in your children. So the children come they say, Mommy, let us play slow. So then she come they close to the river. The next thing now we hear shout. Hey, help, my sister, we don't see hands. And then Madam Sweet come they shout. One aboki man jump enter inside the river. Now one fisherman, cause he come fisherman, he come still go. He find him, he not see him. He can't go back to us. Now cause he go back to the river again. As we dey come, now the man they start to dey beat Madam Sweet with his daughter. Say now Madam Sweet use the repeated ritual.
What you make you feel say that man called the bitter?
I don't know what to make am.
The first girl quarrel,
No.
your landlady when she come greet, and these people they not fair they play.
I tell they play.
So what you can call that connection when they call the bitter?
I don't know. Say you rescue your children
because the man they talk now say na a pikin na I go show Madam Sweet the river. They arrest you because this mother say na you go show Madam Sweet the river. Which one I come one made the whole world believe now?
The one where the whole world want believe we say na me go show Madam Sweet the road to the river, not the victory.
Okay, your involvement now for this matter say na you go show on the river.
Yes.
That means they call your name for inside this matter. Yes. That means they tell you your baby.
My baby, yes, for 4 days.
Okay, good. So my sister, how you dey? I best sit out. What will be your name? The Chancellor Mota. So what will be your involvement for this matter? Who born you? Who be this matter to you?
My sister, my mommy friend.
Okay, that your mommy friend. Waiting, who just she come on her house?
On the 3rd of January,
On Sunday. So she they told us something affect their house during Christmas and New Year. How true is that?
Yes.
What happened from on the 3rd to the river? I better tell the whole world me the year.
On the 3rd of January, this woman come to
You know, see
us
where back
where I go to their house for Christmas and New Year for there. So on the 3rd, they come from our house on the 3rd of January. So on the 4th of January, I think they're going to say they want to go river. Say I go show them the river. I can go show them the river. So as we go, because say Mama Naomi and the Sweet not come to us for road to say the mama to say we go river. Say yes, say we go river. Say we go check on the river, then we go. Because they go river, me and Stars, because of how come they go the river. Now they come to us for road. Because this one thing you go inside the river, Victory and the Imam.
You know this Victory before?
Yes.
How you take? No, I take they close to you.
Just our neighbor, see their house, see our house.
Okay, now I be neighbor for the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, now I too come greet you now.
Yes.
Okay. So how many of them did that river before now come? Before how many of them are coming for the river that day?
Now 4.
4 of them.
And the 2 Imam and Victory and the Faith. 4 of them for the river.
Okay. So what can happen for that river? How they take? What happen when I say people they shout about that city, how that place? When I talk at that place, talk how that place be.
That place come all our children and sister Ben and Mercy. They come to jump on side of the river. Because your sister and treasure, because they jump on side of the river. Mama now me come back at the river, she not enter the river, but we just side of the river. You know say because they hear sharp, we want to do more the go. Because they hear sharp, now for the sharp, my sister and sister. Some people come to fish and I want to go kill, make them go rescue the we are go kill your jump from the river, come with the find again, not see the yeah. So if Shabby come to come back, because they not see the then we come to the go out, because they shot the go out. Oh God, because say people gather for our house, they say that people they do ritual.
So just like that. So I beg, tell the whole world the truth, because not anything what they do for this life. There's God at the end. There's God at the end. Tell the whole world the truth. Who carried that victory? Go river.
My brothers now go for them, but not be really
Not Bunaga come out.
no, not be really for the river.
Okay, who go show Madam Sweet the river?
Mama Naomi.
That mama baby.
Yes.
So not be the victory carry Madam Sweet go river. So as the rituals, what you gonna make that man come the beat Madam Sweet?
Say you the people for ritual. Say if you rescue the rest, why not you rescue the people? Say you for ritual. Say the rest one, you know, come us. Or they talk say you for ritual.
Wait, that the victory house, their victory house now. The victory where they find, so their house. Is they close to that river?
No.
I'm
10th Street.
10th Street to the river, but at the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, that to say that the same environment with the river.
Yes.
Okay. What do people want to know? Because the man they say, the girl father they say, now Sweet carry the children go river. Say the children go show Sweet the river. This mama baby, they arrest her now. Since how many days? Say she to the statement say that she go show Sweet a river when the children don't come on. How true be that one?
Yes, but she go show us and they come with us for road.
You come meet, okay, the mama baby and Sweet come meet una for road where you and your sister they go river.
Yes.
So they come go river, come meet all those other one for river.
Yes.
Are you telling the world the truth? Because anything you are saying today, you are on live camera, everybody is seeing you. God Almighty is watching you. If you decide to lie to cover a crime, one day the truth must come out. So I beg, are you telling the world the truth? Because many sympathetic people don't take this girl father matter. Because we not going to use one side here matter. That's why Christian media say no. Make it look for the other parties. Make them see here for their mouths. My people, all of you can hear from the people that are involved. You can hear from their mouths now what really transpired on the river that day. We are not judging. We just want to give the second party the chance to air their own view. So please, my people, on the comment section, share your thought on it. Let's see how we can do our survey and know where to start from. So thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. This is Crystal Media. We are always there for you to give you the right information at the right time. So this is the other party that are involved in Victory's case. We are heard from them. So it's not for us to analyze the statement and what is on ground of state CID and what the father is alleging. Thank you, my people. Thank you, those people in the diaspora. Thank you, those people in Nigeria. We thank you, people. We thank you all. Thank you.